Hello everyone, welcome to Workstatus. In this video, we are going to know about the screenshot inside the Workstatus. For that, come up to the left navigation, select Activity, and under Activity, select Screenshot. Here, you are landed to this page where you can see the screenshot with respect to the username. You can select the user from here, listing. You can select the date for which you wish to see the screenshot for. Here you can see that the screenshot are being shown with respect to the 1 hour time interval. This is the screenshot which is being shown. The 10-minute interval is there and the screenshot are recorded accordingly to it. Click on view image to see the screenshot. So this is the screenshot which has been recorded at 10:10 a.m. Furthermore, in this screen, you can also increase or decrease the activity percentage by scrolling left or right of the scroll bar. If you scroll to the left, the percentage is going to increase, and if you scroll and then you have to mention the reason, this percentage gets recorded with the reason that we have entered, and that can be seen via, and you can also see that the activity percentage has been updated via this little icon on the screen. You can select the filter from here and you can select the data, filter out the data with respect to the project name, the to-dos, the time, activity level, and you can apply to get the filter out data. You can filter the data and then you can also click on export to have this exported via an email. An email will be sent it to you on your account if the screenshot has been downloaded. You can also select from these quick links to go to the timesheet, apps, URL, and the attendance of this specific user of this specific date and see the data accordingly. So this was all about the activity menu screenshot section. Thank you.